Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stream and record CSGO using game capture in OBS Studio. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First things first, locate your OBS application on your computer. Right-click on the OBS app icon and select Run as Administrator from the context menu that appears. This step is crucial because running OBS with administrator privileges helps prevent the common black screen issue that many users encounter when trying to capture games. It ensures OBS has the necessary permissions to hook into your game properly. Now, here's an important note before we proceed further. Make sure CSGO is already open and running on your PC. OBS needs the game to be active in order to detect it properly. If you haven't launched CSGO yet, go ahead and open it now before continuing with the setup. Once your game is running, navigate to the Scenes section and click the plus icon. Type a name for your scene, for example, CSGO, then click OK. Next, in the bottom left area, navigate to Sources and click the plus icon. From the list that appears, select Game Capture, then click OK to add it. Now you'll see the Properties window for Game Capture. Navigate to Mode on the right side, click the drop-down menu, and select Capture Specific Window. This option allows OBS to focus specifically on your CSGO window rather than capturing your entire screen. Although I don't have CSGO installed on my PC, I'll show you the next step anyway. Below the Mode option, you'll see a setting labeled Window. Click the drop-down menu next to it, and you should see CSGO listed there. Select it from the list. Since I don't have CSGO installed, I'll use another game as an example to demonstrate how this works. After selecting your game window, click OK to confirm your settings. This will add the game capture source to your scene. Now, to make sure your game fills the entire screen properly, navigate back to Sources. Right-click on the game capture source you just added, hover your mouse over Transform, and select Fit to Screen. This automatically adjusts your game capture to fill your canvas perfectly without any manual resizing. As I mentioned earlier, if you encounter a black screen at any point, the solution is simple. Close OBS completely, then right-click the OBS app again and select Run as Administrator, and repeat the steps we just covered. Running as Administrator usually resolves this issue immediately. And that's it. You've successfully set up game capture in OBS Studio to stream and record CSGO. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.